my boy, that's Brando. No one to that purple and black. No, this not a regular rap. Don't turn up the channel, no Brando keep vids like some ammo. They barely prepare. Take a challenger right off the ice, hold straight to the 1 to 100K, so got a share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know Brando just out the vid. We go Brando from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this. So that's Brando done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro? My bro driving it cool like a stick. Oh, that's Brando the littest. YouTube living.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy OhThatsBrando, and I'm back with another video for y'all today, man. Hey man, say man, you see what is it? Octane Cafe? I'm at Caffeine and Octane. Damn, we're gonna cut that out though. But we out here, man, so make sure you go ahead and like this video, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna take your mom, I'm gonna take your kid, about that. So make sure you subscribe to this video, drop a comment and like this. We outside early in the morning with the gang.
In the back shit, loud, know you smell it. Big bitch got her ass shit, sell like some jelly. All the perk, fuck the good, got me swell like a red. Posted up with the pad, what she need, I mail it. Boy, you know I gotta get this shit gone. If you ain't shopping, don't call my phone. On the block, making plays like a blitz in my door. You know how I get when I get in that mode. Go to court straight like, man, you know I won't fold. Can't beef with no nigga, boy, that shit that get old. Getting straight to the racks, boy, you know that's the goal. Putting on for the hood, I'ma rock out. Trying to get me a big ass crib with like 3 different flows. Real west side, baby, keep 3 different hoes. Still got flavor, boy, I got 3 different bows.
Boy, if you don't get I put some dumps on my hoes. I put some cream on my bitch. I had some troubles and woes. I put some green in the split. I put some dumps on my hoes. I put some cream on my bitch. I had some troubles and woes. I put some green in the split. Hey y'all. I put some dumps on my hoes. I put some cream on my bitch. I had some troubles and woes. I put some green in the split. You're holding me down or you're holding me down.
So we go Red Eye, we go Demon 170, and we go Demon in the black. If you had a pick, chat, which one you go? You go Demon 170, or you go Red Eye? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Let me know what y'all gonna pick. We go Red Eye, Demon 170, or regular Demon. Let me know in the comment, chat. Bro, what the?
Get some help.
Hey yo, what the?
On my soul, this shit coming straight off the dome. These niggas not fucking with me, man. On my life. Hey. Real 205 shit. What you say? Hey, this shit on rockin' exclusive. This shit out the head, but it rap shit out the.
Damn.
Hey y'all, hey.
Boy.
Yeah.
Yes, we're going to
What's up?
What you got right there? What that is?
We got some sushi, you know.
Let me get one. What that is?
Always exotic. This shrimp.
Bring it in.
Just take that whole one.
But who she think she is though? And that is a flicker up though. That is a good though. Flicker up though. Flicker up though. Flicker up. That do go right though. That do go right though. That do go right. I get it. I get it. Let me start hating. Let me see how he got. Did you flick up? Is it good flicks? Let me cook up real quick. Okay. Okay. I'm playing. It's so many people out here. I don't know what to expect, bro. Like every time I turn around, bro, always somebody staring, bro. Like I don't know. But there's a lot of cars out here. Trying to share a little bit of everything, but with everybody in the way, it's kind of hard giving y'all the POVs because people walking in and out. So I'm gonna try my best. Let's do it. Bro, if you had to go exotic, let me know in the comments. What exotic car would you go?
Man, y'all already know what exotic car I'm going. Pagani.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
Pagani.
Bugatti?
Pagani.
Huh? Pagani or Bugatti?
Pagani. Pagani.
Oh my God.
Pagani or Bugatti? What are you saying?
Pagani.
Chet, what is she saying?
Pagani. 2.3 mil.
No, I think she's talking about Bugatti. I don't know. Y'all let me know what she's saying in the chat. I don't know what she's saying, but if you ask me, I'm going Lambo.
My nigga.
If you ask me, I'm going Lambo. What you going, twin? This nigga said Ashton, what? Ashton Martin?
Ashton Martin, oh God.
Hell no! That's hell no!
Where you go, twin?
I'm going McLaren.
Where you going? Are you going where?
Pagani. P-A-G-A-N-I. With the
So it's a real car?
Yeah.
It's one of the most expensive cars in the world, but she's not saying it right.
Chat. Y'all let me know.
Pagani.
Pugani?
It's like a Pagani. It's not.
Pagani.
N, not an M.
Yeah, Pagani.
I know. I get it. Don't
I give up. I give up. But if he had me, we going lamb chop. You feel me?
Who at this gas station wants some dick?
We don't know what Rika talking about. So y'all let me know in the chat. Damn, my boy Smoke. Damn, my boy Smoke in this bit. Damn,
You feel me? Hey,
good game.
You know what I'm about to say.
But why you got that on though, bro?
Cause man, pass on top. Remember 28-3. 28-3.
Yo, killing me with.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Come here and just walk around and think about it.
Bro, where is her tail? Hey, we made it in this motherfucker now. I know she cold as hell, bro. I know she cold as hell.
Hey, Miles. Oh shit.
Rico! Hey! I made no pay!
Party shut down. Party shut down.
Damn!
Go get your pee. Go get that. No, I'm not. That's your pee.
Oh!
That's your pee.
Hold on, what the fuck? It's shut. What the hell? Damn, twin, we just got here. They trying to shut this bitch down already.
Let me go get that content.
Oh, we good. They said we good. Man, they was on dick already. They was on dick already, bro. Hey, this bit crazy, bro. These folks supposed to pay. They got no took off on them niggas.
Hey, y'all niggas said, "Fuck no, my boy." He trying to get y'all paid him a 10. Y'all niggas.
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? Bro.
Where your big ass is at? Oh, that goddamn muscle. Go pick the goddamn bike up. That ain't my fucking problem. I thought that shit was gonna shoot off. I went to help. I said, oh hell no.
Man, y'all shut the hell up. Yeah, so we go catch. That's hard. But what the fuck is you doing, bro?
It's just like how we
But we right outside. She throwing that motherfucker. Hey, she throwing that. Hey. Hey, she throwing that motherfucker. She throwing that. Ah, damn. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Hey, throw that bitch. Yeah. Yeah.
She belongs to the street.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. What's going up? Right outside Magic City, bro. Right outside Magic City, bro. Oh, no. Okay, that's how you feel? That's how the bug. No, what the fuck?
Stop it.
Okay.
Stop.
That might be the best one.
Cap.
Better than the blue one. Whoa.
Cap.
It is fire.
Cap.
It's pretty fire.
Really?
I just put it up in there.
Overbearing the water.
Get in that game like the shoe shit a lot. Wife in the chain, don't play by the top.
Hey, Bog!
Nigga. Bounce that like your friend.
Hey, twin. Hey, they charging the 100.
No, I'm working.
Yeah.
I guess.
Oh, damn. He working. Talk to me.
Yo,
go.
look, I said we chilling in the scat.
Okay.
I got that big cat.
Okay.
Enrica on the mic and we ain't going back.
Okay.
Back to the city. Back to the hood.
What?
Keep it straight and you better get it understood.
Understood. Fuck with Brando, we gonna end up in the hood.
Hey!
Hit you with the switch and you know that shit ain't good.
Yeah. I'ma pick it up. I'ma keep going. My name Big Rika and I keep fucking flowing.
Ooh.
I keep going.
Okay.
Like that's
And then, la. Hit you with the chopper. This shit like lava. We go Hellcat, we go scat, pack from Nevada. Hit you with the stick.
motherfucker running.
Listen, I'm back outside.
That motherfucker running.
Listen.
Okay.
I hit you with the stick.
Yeah.
You a bitch.
Yeah.
That's G8.
Yeah.
It was slow as shit.
Yeah.
We on the block.
Block.
Big.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
Thoughts about the cock, I'm talking about my Glock. Hit you with the 19, that's the 30, that's the Steph. Hit you in your area, now you're deaf. Throw a flag, we foul, fuck the ref. Hit you with in your chin.
In your chin.
We
got
go-
a mean grin.
Grin.
Call me Big Rika cause I got the pen on the floor, on the mic. I love Mike and Ike. We about to go crazy cause it's hot out here tonight. I'm talking.
Hey.
I'm gonna pass it to my friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
She gonna pass it to a friend. You already know I got a big grin.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm finna fuck your sister.
Sister.
Hold on. Bitch, I miss her.
Miss her.
Ooh.
You already know we got them packs.
Pack.
And them bitches, they back to back.
Back to back.
I'm just playing.
Uh-huh.
That's scat.
Scat.
Got 200 on the dash, nigga. Fucking scat.
So, here gonna keep going. All white, looking like we snowing. Fucking with it, Brando, we glowing.
Like we glow in the dark, nigga.
Dark, okay.
This shit push to start, nigga.
That might be the best stuff I ever seen. Hello. Put your ass in the dark, nigga. We gon' fuck you out, nigga, like you Tony Stark, nigga.
Nigga. It's push to start, nigga. We got the motherfucking big cars, nigga.
nigga.
Talking 200 on the fucking dash, nigga.
Dash,
I got
nigga.
a dash cam. That's on your ass, nigga.
Oh my God.
Hold on, she on your ass, nigga.
Okay.
We going back to back, in and out of trap, and we on crash, nigga.
Okay.
You already know she got them glasses. Hold on. We really on your fucking ass.
Let's go, let me see what Mo say. Let me see what Mo gotta say. Come on.
In Moesha. In the cat. What you talking about?
Give me a verse. Come on.
It's fast.
Come on, give me a
Come
verse.
on.
Give me a verse.
Hold on. Her shit fast.
Okay.
Her shit got 220 on the dash, nigga.
No.
What you talking about, nigga?
Money on the dash and
Okay.
I pull up real fast and I
Okay.
pull up with my bitches and we smoking real gas.
Date, nigga. You already know that we gonna strike, nigga.
And on that note, the boy about to end this vlog. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel. And like.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and follow me too. People, I was gonna call y'all.
Hey, she went nice on y'all, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. See y'all next video. We out.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.